Interview me.
The boat probably up, you know.
Back in the kitchen. That was that chef. Now I'm taking your skills to the kitchen.
Tell them prepare.
As you can see, I'm not using a stove. I'm using a wood fire. Normally in Jamaica, whenever we people cook now, we're getting a family thing together. We use a wood fire. Because wood fire is more appropriate. You get a better natural cook. You understand?
Wood fire.
So right now, this is the goat. This is the goat meat now, which I don't really have a big fire underneath it because it's a very young goat I'm cooking. Right? So I don't really want the meat to burst up that much. Yeah, so therefore I cut the meat in a little bit of nice little sizes.
Listen to Chef Zabuza.
So therefore it won't mash, now stick. But anyway, still in the region where it's still over here. So now I will do all of my cutting up on anything there. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this here right now. Can't tell the peas and money stuff. And this is curry right now. Yes or no?
It takes great skills.
Manage fucking water, I think what they say. But we Jamaican manage. So right about now, we make a look addings to it. I drop some fucking bean on it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. They call this mixture.
Just like that.
Yeah, mixture. It's a new name, mixture. So anybody is watch it, add bean to it. Yeah, so right now this is still young. Still reach how we said here. So further on the day when you see, you see the coloring and everything. In the season of...
Around it is it.
What's me I say?
Man called Krillin, a.k.a. Russian.
Zabuza, yo.
Zabuza?
What think I'm in a nigga?
Zabuza.
Zabuza is cooking right now.
Don't make him get halfway though.
Yeah. Zabuza. That's my fucking name, man. Yeah, man. So what's going on, fucking? Yeah.
Right here, man. We're right here.
I'm so glad to see fucking nigga back here. Yeah, this man is called a party man.
This man look
This
like...
man eat the most party in Jamaica. Last year, this man set a record. This man eats 28 party and shit out his fucking self, man. Tell me what happened, man.
What?
Everybody see, what do you want Russian party? Russian, what you want party?
Yeah, what they say around there while ago, you.
Eh?
Think they're around there.
Is it Russian here already?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Man, they look alike, man.
So I'm not be done, I'm not be done. You don't know bomber classes, no, man?
Man, we have enough in our time already, you know.
Eh?
You want that with over here?
Oh, yeah.